Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Briaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. It's full moon time again. It's a beautiful day out. The sun is shining. Mother Nature is all around us with her beauty and with her blessings. During this full moon time, let's take this opportunity to completely relax, unwind, and let go. Time to release. Take a brief, big, deep breath. Go within yourself and let go of any concern, any stress or heaviness, any uncertainty, any heavy energies whatsoever. This is the time and the place to let it all go. To release it all to the full moon up there, up in the sky. The energies are in the air as we speak. So let these energies help you to go within yourself and surrender. Anything and everything is no longer serving your highest good. And while you're doing so, take a look at the beauty of Mother Nature right before you. How worry-free they are. Beautiful creatures in Mother Nature. How they are just enjoying the moment. They would like you to do the same. Let go of everything else. Let go of the past. Take the lessons with you. Whatever you can use moving forward. Let go of everything else. Just focus on your present and your blessings. And being grateful for what you have had and what you do have, knowing even greater blessings are on the way. Seeing the blessings everywhere, seeing the beauty everywhere, seeing the truth. The liveliness all around you. And listen to that beautiful sound of the water. And allow it to help you relax even more, and to let go even more, and to trust your river of life, knowing that it'll lead you exactly where you're meant to be, always and forever. Looking back over the last month, being grateful for everything. everything you learned, everything you gained, everything you take with you now, moving forward. All of your accomplishments and all of your lessons. Enjoying this present moment, looking towards the future. With even more tools to help you to enjoy life even more and make the best of it. To release what no longer serves you, make room for the new. Growing more and more each and every day. Cleansing yourself, cleansing your energies. Letting Mother Nature show you how. Thanking the full moon energies. Thanking Mother Nature all around us, these beautiful creatures, beautiful energies in the air to help us now and always. Feeling grateful, feeling renewed, confident, and looking towards the future with open arms and open heart. God bless you all, everyone. Coming back to this time, back to this place with all these beautiful energies, ready to start anew.